Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. Stormy winds in the state uproot trees. 5 buffaloes died due to lightning at Concon. Climate to be partly clouded for more days. Newly appointed ministers on tours to perform in their new job. Some unhappy with their portfolios, some contented, some to fix priorities after consultation with CM. Mamladar given deadline till December to dispose of Munkarial and tenancy cases. 183 cases pending in South and North Goa. CSJS demands transparency in delimitation process of panchayats. Let the process open for public suggestions, CSJS tells authorities. And win 2 out of 3 remaining matches and Dempo Sports Club will be I-League champions. Title not in the bag as yet, says Mauricio Afonso. And now the news in detail. Stormy weather made Goans worried on Thursday. Rainfall was recorded at some places, trees were uprooted and roads were blocked due to this weather. In Concon, 5 buffaloes died due to heavy lightning. However, meteorological department said that due to cyclonic weather, there was thunder activity. The climate will remain partly clouded for 2 more days. Here's a report.
It was a stormy weather on Thursday. At about 7 in the morning, people were taken aback by the sudden change in climate. There were gusty winds accompanied by thunder and lightning. At some places, there was heavy rainfall. Kepe received about 6 mm rainfall on Thursday morning. Rainfall was recorded in Concon and Sangye also. Sea was rough in the morning and the fishermen were afraid to venture for their regular business. In Concon, 5 buffaloes died due to lightning. Owner Sonu Velip has estimated a loss of about 1 lakh rupees.
वीज पडला असे तुमका सांगू शिवार अंदाज
शिवार वीज पडून मेल नु शिवार खबर झाडा पाना आम्ही करपल थिंग सारखी
करपल्यांक
हय
सो आता किती करपा गेले तुम्ही अशे
आता तेजे दोतरान कितें आल्या हे कृपा तेजे इन्शुरन्स आहा हे मशीन त्यो इकते हाडले मशीन त्यो
टोटल लॉस किती झाला
तेजो टोटल लॉस 1 लाख वर्स मार जातलो 1 लाख वर्स जातलो अशें.
In Kolwa, a banyan tree was uprooted, blocking the vehicular traffic. Fire personnel were called in for rescue.
हे प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व करपा जाय म्हणून हांगायल्लो सो पयले आतां ताका आनीकूय लेबर जाय सो आतां कलेक्टराक फोन करून दुसरो लेबराकूय म्हाका रोड क्लियर करून दितले आनी तशीच लायटूय कनेक्ट करून दितले हे पावसाचे टायमार हे प्रॉब्लेम जातलेच तर हे जावचे आदी असले रोड आहाय ते क्लियर करून आमी ट्राय करतले.
झाड रोडाचे पडले तर झाड ते रोड झाड जातले ते आम्ही ते 2 कटर लावन आमी ते काम चालू केलें आनी ते कट पीस करून आमी सायडीन उडयतात आनी ते काम चालू आसा.
केन्ना म्हणले क्लियर जातलें
ते कमी आता कमी कमी 1 दीस लागता.
This is now summer season is going on and it is called the cyclonic season also. So during these days some thunder activity develops sometimes. So this was the effect of that actually. So during night time this cloudy was increased and at the morning time there was some thunder activity. So in South Goa some rainfall has been recorded actually. In Kankona 24.4 millimeters rainfall has been recorded and Sangye some trace rainfall. So at 1 or 2 places some rainfall has been recorded.
Our reporter in Panji, Jason Suarez, with video journalist Ravin Dalvi, in Madgaon, Savio Dias, and in Concon, Babesh Borkar.
Newly inducted ministers in Parikar's cabinet are on the job. Ministers were busy taking charge of their official cabins in Mantralaya on Thursday. Some of them were busy setting their cabins and stuff in order. Some have fixed their priorities, barring Power Minister Milind Naik. He says he needs to meet the Chief Minister first. Watch this report.
Okay, Avartana, congratulations for being the Fisheries and Labour Minister. Are you contented with the portfolios given to you?
Yes, I can say I'm contented because the CM has given me the portfolios and I'm happy with what I got.
Do you have some kind of more expectations from the CM?
No, as long as he has assured me that whatever I do, he is going to fulfill it. So that's more than enough for me.
Okay. And for now, what are your priorities with Fisheries and Labour Department?
See, it is just one day that I've got this portfolios. But in the morning only, people from Betul, Vasco had approached me regarding jetties. So I look into the jetty work soon. And the labour side, I'm getting one ESI hospital which is right on the edge of completion now. So I'll go and have a look at that hospital also. And I'll see what best I can do to it very soon.
We have known that you were more hopeful of getting the sports ministry. What are your comments now that Ramesh Tawadkar has got the ministry?
I have no comments. The CM thought he was more capable of handling sports, so he gave it to him.
We also met Power and Housing Minister Milind Naik, but he refused to comment. He says he has not fixed his priorities. He will decide after meeting the Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar. We also met Minister for Cooperation Deepak Dawdekar. He said he would take the cooperative sector in the rural areas.
कॉर्पोरेशन सहकार खातें जें आसा त्या खात्याक जें कितें गेल्या 2 वर्सां जी बजबजपुरी चल्ल्या ती पयलीं सारकें तें खातें सारकें रुरार हाडपाक जाय. तशेंच मार्केटिंग फेडरेशन मागीर संजीवनी साखर कारखाना हेंचोय बी हे बी सगळ्यांत लक्ष घालून ते सुदारपाचो प्रयत्न म्हज्या हातान जातलो आनी सहकार क्षेत्र बरें आनी वाडोवप कशें तातूंत गांवांतल्या लोकांचो चडांत चड सहभाग कसो जातलो हें उद्दिश्ट दवरून हांव काम करतलों.
Here's what Minister for Industries and Social Welfare Mahadev Naik said.
आतां इंडस्ट्री म्हटली की खरोखर जे आमचे तरुण आसात, बेकार लोक आसात, बेकार भुरगे आसात, हेंचो एक कुदाद घेवपा सारको एक बरें खातें जावन आसा आनी आमचे ते दृश्टीन मुखाल्ले प्रयत्न आसतले की गोंयान आतां इंडस्ट्री गेल्या 5 वर्सां एकूय येवना आनी काही वेळा इंडस्ट्री थोड्यो भायरूय गेल्ले आसात. त्यो इंडस्ट्री गोंयान कशी येतल्यो, बेरोजगारी कशें पयस करतले ह्या संदर्भान म्हणजे पयली प्रायोरिटी आसतली.
We tried to contact Dilip Parulekar and Ramesh Tawadkar, but they were unavailable for comments. Our reporters in Panji, Greta Menezes, Lokik Shilkar and Vivek Prabhu.
Mamladars have a deadline up to December to dispose of Munkarial and tenancy cases referred to them by the civil courts. High Court set this deadline on Thursday while granting an extension of time to the district collectors. There are total 183 such cases pending in North and South Goa. Court has warned the officials of action if they fail to dispose the pending cases by December.
High Court had taken suo motu cognizance of pending tenancy and Munkarial cases referred by civil courts in the year 2009. The number of the pending tenancy cases in North Goa is 74, while the number of Munkarial cases is 14. Number of the pending tenancy cases in South Goa is 56, while the number of Munkarial cases is 39. Both the district collectors had filed affidavits in the High Court requesting extension of time for disposing the pending tenancy and Munkarial cases referred by the civil courts. The collectors had sought extension of time due to transfer of Mamladars for election duty during General Assembly election and Panchayat election. Court has warned the officials of taking action if they fail to dispose the pending cases by December this year. Bench of Avinash Lavande and Utkarsh Bakre granted an extension as per collectors' pleading. High Court said officers should dispose of cases by December 2012. Officers will face action if they fail to do so. High Court had earlier directed the Mamladars before whom the references are pending to dispose of the cases within 1 year on March 5, 2010. State government had earlier sought extension of time for disposing the cases on December 13, 2010. A reporter from Panji, Navdeep Agyar.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.